The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Day, Kansas. We are here in Wichita at 13th and Tyler today at their Stutzman's Garden Center with Ben. Ben, thanks for having us in today.
We love having you guys out here.
Yeah.
And on a semi-cloudy day. It's spring, huh?
Yeah. Well, you wouldn't know it because of the weather today, but we are inching into summer.
Yes.
And you've got some great heat-tolerant plants that people can find.
And it's plant material that we also have in the spring, but what really identifies it as for our Kansas heat is the varieties that truly do handle it exceptionally well.
Yeah.
But we have them where they're already established, whereas sometimes if you're doing it with a smaller pot, it may not be quite as easy to really get settled in. And all our summer and a brand new crop coming in. Sweet potato vine, for instance, in this little larger pot. Another one that's just really important to us for our summer heat is the lantana.
Yeah.
And of course, the proven winner, yellow spice is always really pretty.
Yeah.
But a total new crop of vinca in planters, mandevilla in planters, baskets with vinca, baskets with lantanas. That just really do exceptionally well here. Actually, you may find our garden centers look more colorful in the summer because of some of the things that we have.
Yeah.
But we're really looking forward for that as we make that transition. It's just so cool.
Tell me if I'm wrong here. Heat loving plants, are they easier to take care of because you can just leave them out, or is there more maintenance with those?
One thing you've got to watch in the summertime, of course, we run into triple digits here in Kansas, unfortunately, and sometimes with the wind. That combination really does dry out plants sometimes faster than what we anticipate. So in a container, these varieties will hold up much better than
the ground.
Particularly if you try to go really close to the margin on shade to sun type of plants in too bright a light. But one thing for sure, in Kansas, anything that would have some afternoon shade, say 2 o'clock on, is going to perform better, even if it's a full sun type of plant material. But vinca, mandevilla definitely will handle that very well.
Yeah, what also helps is your plant food here.
We have this silly slogan, plants like people need food.
Yeah.
And really, one thing that really helps keep the vibrancy of your color, vibrancy of your growth, is a continual process of feeding them through your water. And our Stutzman's blend has really worked out very, very well for a long time.
Yeah, love the bag. It's so creative.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah. How can people get more information about Stutzman's?
Always, Stutzman's.com, or if you go to questions@Stutzman's.com, puts you directly in touch with Jason French, who does the Stutzman's Home and Garden Show every Saturday.
All right, Ben, thank you so much for
Thank
being
you.
with us today. Yeah, make sure to check out your local garden center this summer. More of Good Day Kansas after the break.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
It's been so wonderful to receive the much-needed rain and watch our landscapes flourish this spring. Hi, this is Ben Miller. On behalf of all of us at Stutzman's, I want to thank everyone who has shared our passion and the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Be sure to visit our garden centers, as each location will be featuring an in-store manager special of their choice. We'll see you at one of our 12 garden centers in central and western Kansas. Find us on Facebook and Stutzmans.com. Happy savings.
A Stutzman's greenhouse, everything's green with